What is the Forex market? In short, Forex stands for foreign exchange. It is a market for trading currencies. The Forex market is recognized as the largest financial market in the world today. Now, I want to give you a perspective on just how huge the Forex market really is. On the screen, you will see a stack of $100 bills, and that's equivalent to $10,000 within this one stack. What you see now on the screen are 10 stacks of $100 bills, and that's equivalent to $100,000. If you want to fill up 10 pallets, this stack becomes $1 billion US. You now multiply it by 1,000 times, and you will get $1 trillion. This is how much the Forex market trades in a single day. A whopping $5.3 trillion US. That simply means 5 pallets stacked on top of one another. Now let me just give you another perspective. Let's assume that I'm going to be giving you 1,000 US. Not every hour, not every minute, but every second like that as you see the numbers on your screen. After 10 seconds, you would have received 10,000 US. After an hour, you would have received a whopping 3.6 million US. Now make a wild guess. How long would it take me to pay you 5.3 trillion US? The answer is a whopping 170 years. That's just how huge the Forex market is today.